Do you know that an object weighs nearly 4,000 kilograms and traveling at 8,700 kilometers per hour, and in just a matter of hours, on August 5th, 2026, it's going to slam into the moon? No, this isn't an asteroid. No, this isn't some natural event. No, it's not any alien ship. This is human-made debris, a dead rocket stage, left behind, forgotten, spiraling through space for over a year, and nobody stopped it. Welcome to the unknown guy. And today, we're asking a question nobody in the mainstream is asking. How did we let this happen? And who benefits from us not talking about it? Let's start with the facts. The object in question is catalogued as 2025-010D, the spent upper stage of a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, confirmed by NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies to be on course to impact the lunar surface on August 5th, 2026 at approximately 6:35 UTC. This upper stage came from the Falcon 9 that launched Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost Mission 1 on January 15, 2025. Blue Ghost successfully landed on the moon in Mare Crisium on March 2, 2025, a historic commercial lunar landing. But after doing its job, the Falcon 9 upper stage didn't simply vanish. It was just left there like nothing, and everybody just forget about it. That dead rocket stage is now due to hit the moon near the Einstein crater, just visible around the 10 o'clock region on the edge of the Earth-facing side, traveling at roughly 5,400 miles per hour. Scientists note the rocket body is 39 feet long, 13 feet wide, and weighs around 8,800 pounds. When it smashes into the surface, it will gouge a new crater, though probably not as large as one created by a solid asteroid, because the rocket body is largely hollow. And here's the uncomfortable part. This isn't the first time. The astronomer who first identified this impact, Bill Gray of Project Pluto, says this is the second time he has identified a piece of space junk about to hit the moon, highlighting what he calls a certain carelessness about how leftover space hardware is disposed of. So, how exactly does a rocket stage end up on a collision course with the moon? Here's the thing. Upper stages of rockets are not designed to come back. When a Falcon 9 launches, the first stage, the big reusable booster, lands itself back on a drone ship. Beautiful engineering. But the upper stage? The section that actually delivers the payload to orbit, that gets discarded. It drifts, and in some cases, like this one, unless deliberately deorbited, it remains in space, part of the growing amount of flotsam known as space debris. As of July 2023, the number of orbital objects sized 10 centimeters or greater was already estimated to be over 23,000. That number has only grown, and now, with the commercial space race accelerating, SpaceX, Rocket Lab, Blue Origin, all launching dozens of missions every year, the upper stages just keep stacking up in orbit. Now some people are saying, who cares? It's just the moon. The moon gets hit by things all the time. And yes, technically that's true, but those people are missing the point entirely. NASA and other space agencies are ramping up their lunar ambitions, with plans for human missions to the moon, and eventually, permanently staffed moon bases. We are building infrastructure on the moon. We are planning to live there. And we are already treating it like a dumping ground. So let me be clear about the timeline. A rocket launches in January 2025. Its upper stage is abandoned. By fall 2025, independent astronomer Bill Gray's software flags it's heading toward the moon. In January 2026, the FAA drops its debris cleanup rule, and in August 2026, this week, that rocket hits the moon. On July 31st, 2026, scientific tracking by the US Space Force revealed that over 1 ton of uncontrolled orbital debris tumbles back into Earth's atmosphere every single week. This isn't a moon problem. This is a civilization problem. So, what are the solutions? And why aren't we implementing them? Option 1. Controlled deorbit. After delivering its payload, an upper stage uses its remaining fuel to burn back into Earth's atmosphere, where it safely disintegrates. This brings commercial launches into line with rules that have applied to NASA and DoD launches for over a decade. Option 2. Graveyard orbits. Parking dead hardware in distant orbits where it won't cause collisions. Existing technology used by some operators, not mandatory. Option 3. Active debris removal. Robotic spacecraft that chase down dead stages and deorbit them. Research is underway, but there are no operational systems, and costs are expected to reach $30 to $50 million per large object. Option 4. International law. Right now, there is no binding international treaty governing space debris. The voluntary guidelines from the IADC, established in 2002, are being casually ignored by commercial operators. The technology exists. The knowledge exists. What's missing is the will, and specifically, the will to make powerful companies pay the cost of cleaning up their own mess. On 5th of August 2026 at 6:35 UTC, a piece of human engineering, launched with fanfare and press releases and celebration, will silently crash into the moon. What if it was towards Earth? There will be no ceremony, no accountability, no name on the crater, just another piece of junk we left behind. The impact won't directly cause harm to humans, but the unintended event highlights the increasing amount of space debris cluttering Earth's orbit and raises questions about how we treat the environments we enter. We are at the beginning of the greatest era of space exploration in human history. The question isn't whether we'll reach the moon or Mars or beyond. The question is, what kind of civilization will we be when we get there? Because if we can't take responsibility for the junk we leave in our own cosmic backyard, what does that say about everything else? Think about it. I'm the unknown guy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video, and stay curious, stay skeptical, and I'll see you in the next one.